quick hand, he's away! 23 in the game for the Flash.
Rodney Santos, he has his first 2 points at magkakaroon pa siya ng bonus shot.
That's why the whole Alaska bench jumped in jubilation.
Rodney Santos, he has his first 2 points.
That's why the whole Alaska bench jumped in jubilation. Aside from it, ito na, sisimula na ang scoring ng the slasher si Rodney Santos.
Masyado itong unit ng Alaska Milk pagdating sa takbuhan. Rodney Santos on the left side. Rodney Santos against Gilman. Oh, what a move!
Star spots Rodney Santos ahead! Slam!
We have seen everything.
Done this so well to look for the open man off the double team.
The slasher. We talk about redemption. Rodney Santos.
The personal play.
What a play.
What a play to start this fourth quarter.
Santos, pinompa sa ilalim! What a move!
Hindi ako ang rebound na Rodney Santos. Yes! Hindi ba nakakamali? Yun ang...
It's time for Alaska to grab the lead. Ito na. Substitution basket. Kumarang kada na itong Alaska and they're going for the Georgia.
2 minutes and 17 seconds remaining. Bago natin tapusin itong parusa sa San Miguel at simula na ang pagpaparty ng Alaska Milk. First again, number 6, but Alaska just outclassed San Miguel here today and another turnaround.
Well, telegraph yung pasa nila. And Rodney Santos.
Lahat!
Ayun ang sinasabi natin, slasher booter.
Move it around. Santos again slashing to the lane and he is 15. What an incredible game. Quick hands by Johnny. Binigay kay Santos. Drove in the game for the slasher. Na parang ito maganda yung pass this time ni 13. Pero yung kanina yung nahuhuli yung pass.
Tukol. Let's watch it right here. There was the steal, and there was the pass inside.
Apat, Aliados, a little bit of a hole. Yes, Rodney Santos with a stretch.
What's the extra pass and the unselfish.
Evans, back to you. Turn around by Rodney and that is his game. When he posts up, super full kasi yung tapal ni Coach Villa. Tumatakbo ang mga nakaputi. Rodney Santos.
Oh yes!
Santos. Surot, tinignan nila yung stats ng Game 1 at naula pa. Got away with murder sa shaded area.
And on a turnover, whoa, what a pass by J.J. Hillebrand, fooling everyone there and getting Rodney Santos an easy 2. There's a nice pass to Rodney Santos. He can do that. Bennett.
They're running 4-on-2 to Rodney Santos on a dime and Alaska matching the
Congratulations sa inyong dalawa. Samantala, itong laban na ito, ayun na naman si Rodney Santos. He had the most
scoring. He's up to double digits now in his production. Take a look at Rodney Santos with a basket from the and super full kasi tapal and a nice jump shot by Rodney Santos and Alaska with an 8.
It's a matter of time for Alaska to